Here is question number 4 of the quiz on quadratic functions. It says, find the direction in which given parabola opens. Now here we have three different equations. The first one is given in the factored form. F of x equals to 5 minus 2x times x plus 5. The second one is g of x equals to x squared minus 1. And the third one is h of x equals to 3 minus x plus 1 whole square. Now I'd like you to make a note of these and write down your answers and then check your answers with the video. I'm now giving you the solutions for the same. Now in this kind of problem, how do you find direction of the parabola in which it opens, right? Now if you are given a general equation, then you're looking for leading coefficient, right? Leading coefficient defines the direction opening, right? So you are looking for leading coefficient. Well, the value of leading coefficient doesn't matter here. What really matter is sign of leading coefficient, right? So this is what you're looking for. You're looking for sign of leading coefficient, correct? That is an. So we say if an is positive, then it opens upwards, correct? Then it opens upwards. But if an is negative, then it opens downwards. Is it okay? So that's what we are interested in finding. So here, what we will do in different cases is try to figure out what is the sign of leading coefficient, right? And how do you get sign of leading coefficient? Well, in the factored form, you have to multiply the two x's. So the terms which have x in it, right? So when you do that, you get minus 2x times x. So here, what is an? So here an is equals to minus 2x times x, which is minus 2x squared, correct? And this value negative here indicates that your parabola will open downwards, and therefore the answer here is downwards, correct? Now this is kind of tricky because you are used to looking for this sign here. Here it is positive. Do you see that? So you have to be very careful. Don't really get caught up with that. You have to expand and check, correct? There is no minus here, but when you expand, you'll get minus 2x squared as your leading coefficient. Is it okay? And that will make your parabola open downwards. Here, what is the leading coefficient? Here, the leading coefficient an is 1, right? So here an is 1, which is positive sign. So since it is positive, this will go upwards. Is that okay? How about this place? Here we are given in vertex form, and that is minus here. Normally, you would like to see this equation written as minus of x plus 1 whole square plus 3, right? That negative. So the leading coefficient an is negative. Do you see that? An equals to minus 1. And since an is negative, it will open downwards, correct? So this question basically is a very simple question, but still some students will make an error because they will jump to conclusion without really analyzing it. For example, the very first question, right? It is very tricky. So look carefully when you are answering such type of questions. Thank you.